First we need to open Photoshop, so I'm going to Photoshop 7.0. Let it load, and after that we have to click File, go to New, and the size for YouTube thumbnail is 1280 pixel by 720 pixel. Always keep the mode as RGB as you are creating for the screen, and keep the content, the background, as transparent. Click OK, and you can see the page is ready. After that we have to select the background color. So in this case I'm keeping the background color as red, so it's fine. This is the foreground color rather, and this is the background color. So the background color will be around blue. Okay, Control backspace to give the background color, and Alt backspace to give the foreground color. So you can use any one of them. So in this case I'm using the foreground color, that is red, and after that select the rectangle tool. I'm using the rounded rectangle. You can also use the only rectangle tool, or the ellipse tool, or the polygon tool. I'm using rounded rectangle, and I'm drawing a rectangle over here. Yeah, that's fine. And after this I will be filling this rectangle up, so with this background color, Control backspace. So you can see a border has been created around this particular rectangle, the rounded rectangle. And after that I am going to right click on this layer, select blending options, and after blending options I am going to use inner glow option, and you can select the noise as far as you can, but I'm keeping the noise as 0. The opacity will be 100% for the glow. And let's see the color. I'm using the white color for the glow, and you can use any color. I'm using the bevel and the emboss option, contour option. Contour option also is really important, and the texture option, you can use it, or you can leave it blank if you don't want any kind of texture. You can use this satin option. Satin effect will certainly give a glow to this particular background. So background is really important for any kind of thumbnail. And you can also use the gradient overlay as well, but now in this case I'm not using the gradient overlay. You can certainly look for these options inside this particular blending option. I will click OK, and after that I'm going to type some text on this. So I'm selecting the text tool, and let's say typing how to create. So till this much I am going to write, and select this particular option. So white will be the color of the text, and always keep the text as Arial and the style as black, by which the text appears really good on the thumbnail. And after that you have to click Ctrl+T, that is the transform tool, and you can readjust this text accordingly. So I'm going to do it like this, and bring it right in the center. Yeah, just like this. You can use the arrow keys as well. Press enter, and after that I'm going to go to file and click open, and I'm going to take this YouTube logo, open, and after that I'm going to press Ctrl+A from the keyboard, Ctrl+C from the keyboard to copy, and Ctrl+V to paste. After that I'm going to press Ctrl+T, and I'm going to readjust this particular thing and press enter. And after that on layer 2 I'm going to right click and select blending option again, and after that I'm going to give outer glow and inner glow as well. So this will look beautiful if you give it like this for the glow, and I will keep it like this and press OK. And after that I'm going to again select text tool and type thumbnail, THUMPNAIL, thumbnail, and going to select this particular text and going to Control T, transform, and move this right here. And one thing is missing, press enter. One thing is missing, that is a question mark over here. Yeah, that's perfect. And again Ctrl+T to readjust this and bring it in the So after bringing this one in the center, you have to go to file again. I'm going to file, press enter first, then go to file, go to open, and I'm going to select my YouTube channel logo and press OK. Again, I've made this logo with the help of CorelDRAW. If you want a tutorial video to how to make your own logo, you can certainly comment down below. I will try to make a video on that as well. Control A, this particular picture, and then Control C, close this file, Control V. This is optional. Control T to transform. I always give my logo by which no one else can take that, and I'm going to give it right over here, just a small one, but this helps. Press enter. So you can see this thumbnail has been created. Now a few things left. I'm going to select the text, that is the first text, that is how to create. Right click on this blending option, and I'm going to give the outer glow over here for the text and the inner glow as well, and I will click OK. So the text looks a bit beautiful as well. And then going to another text, that is thumbnail question mark, right click, again blending options, and select those two options, outer glow and inner glow. Click OK, and you can see the thumbnail is ready for your YouTube video. So if you want to learn about computer tips and tricks, computer tutorial, programming languages, and other graphic designing as well related with this channel, subscribe this channel, ring the notification bell by which you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Till then, goodbye and take care.